Hi, my name is Dennis and I would like to present you today a brand new feature of WhatsUp Companion, the JMX Active Monitor. This new component extends the capabilities of WhatsUp Gold to monitor any Java application in your environment. So I will now show you how to configure your Java application and the Active Monitor related. So now what I'm gonna start is showing you how you can allow your application to be accessible from your WhatsUp Gold. So you need to modify this file in your application, and you need to add a line to allow the remote connection from the WhatsUp Gold. The different elements that you need to add to your Java application are just listed here. So you have the DCOM, JMX remote, then you have also the port that you need to specify, and what we use here, we don't want to use authentication, and we don't want to use also SSL. So that's what we have put false, but of course in your environment you could modify these parameters as your needs. So when you have done that, what we're gonna do is go to see we have a batch that is launching the Java application with different parameters, and so that's why we have this, and we're gonna restart the Java application here to have the right the proper parameters to be able to communicate remotely with this application. You have to think about JMX Active Monitor as a G console. It's really that, so it will connect as a G console to the remote Java application, and we retrieve some values and some counters from this application. Okay, so now the Java application is restarted. So now we're going to check first if the G console is working properly with the remote server. So let's go here, Java, MBean folder. Okay, and then we launch the G console. So here we need to specify the address or the name of the server, and also the port that we're going to use. So in our environment we are using the 9988 port, and without username and password. We need to precise insecure connection because we have the SSL not activated. And you can see that from the WhatsUp Gold server with a G console we access some values. So we access, for example, the threads before, and now we can see all the information relating to the MBeans of the applications. So you see that we have all the browser. We can browse the application, the MBeans of the application without any issue from the WhatsUp Gold server. Now that we have done that, we're gonna create the Active Monitor. So we just select the new Active Monitor type called JMX Active Monitor. Then here we're gonna edit environment. To communicate with the remote Java application, we need to precise where is the DLL for the Java client GRE7. So that's why we have specified this path to communicate with the application. Then we need to set up the JMX server IP, and as you see now we can access all the MBeans. So as we want to monitor the same counter as we saw before, so the thread count exactly, so we're gonna select this one here. You can see that we have the counter available and no threshold defined at the moment. So we're going to run a test on the JMX server that we want. What you see is that now we have a new value for this JMX server, so it's the value that now we have actually in the environment. And we're going to modify the threshold corresponding to this counter. You can see all the type of comparison that you can make, and so then after you can be alerted on this type of threshold. So here we have just specified 80, and we're going to name this monitor as JMX Monitor dash JBoss thread count. Okay, and now we can test this monitor directly in the active monitor library of the WhatsUp Gold console. So that's great. We select the server that we want to try on, we launch the test, and we can see that now the threshold is under, so we have a return code of 0, meaning that the successful match for this monitor. Last step, we need to apply this monitor to a device. So we just connect to the properties of the device, go to active monitors, and add this new JMX Monitor JBoss thread count. And now we're going to see how it works. Yeah, perfect. So we have this green box, so it's perfect for it means that the monitor is retrieving a value that is under the threshold, so it's fine. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation, and don't forget to visit us on our website www.orsena.com. Feel free to contact us if you need more information by email or by phone. Bye bye.